Now, before I talk about xylem, now the cambium in between xylem and phloem. You know, cambium is in between them, abi? In dicot stem is a meristematic. Who can tell me the meaning of meristematic cell? That is actively what? Actively what? Dividing what? Actively dividing what? Dividing cell. It is meristematic. It is dividing, undergoing mitosis every now and then. Am I talking to you?
Yes, sir.
And it gives rise to new what? New xylem and what? And new what? New phloem. Year after what? After year. That is cambium. Cambium. Now, then let's now go and look at the xylem. Xylem. Xylem is a plant conducting tissue. Conducting tissue. Which helps to draw it helps to draw soil water and soil nutrients from the soil upward the plant body. These xylem and phloem, they are what represent clicking face point here. They are what represent your blood vessels, your vein and your artery. Are we together now? So, but plants do not have blood. What runs through them is what? Soil nutrient and soil water. Are we together? So, nutrient the xylem now, they run from the root to the stem, from the stem to the branches, from the branches to the leaf.
But sir, you said that plants don't have blood. The only thing that runs through them is soil plants and
soil water
and soil
nutrients. Yes.
But there are some plants you like you know, if you not pluck it, if you break it, you see white thing. What's
They are the cell sap. They are part of the cell sap, which are present in the parenchyma. We just mentioned that. Okay. Are we together now? Even some, you will see gum. Gum is present in the back. You do that under excretion in SS2. Some trees are. Okay. Now, the materials that are moving inside xylem, they move upward. They move up. Upward. So let's look at the components, the cell components. The cell components of the xylem tissue. You know, a tissue is a group of cells. Yes. Am I talking? Yes. So the different cells that make up xylem tissue are: one, you have vessels. Two, you have tracheids. You have what? Tracheids. So you have, and the third one is xylem parenchyma. What did I call it? Xylem parenchyma. You can see parenchyma is very plenty. Are we together? Vessels are like this. Okay. Types of vessel. You have scalariform is talking there.
It's
Scalariform vessel. You have annular vessel. You have pitted vessel. And so on and so forth. So a vessel has a very large diameter like this. This is vessel. Why tracheids? Now look at tracheids. They are just long. Now, what's the difference between tracheids and fiber? Look at fiber. Fibers are short.
And has holes.
It has holes. But tracheids also have holes inside. But it is not terminated. It don't run from the root down a long tube to the upper part of the plant. Okay. So let's talk about phloem now. Phloem tissue. Now, this is the vascular tissue, inside which translocation occur. Translocation of food occur. What is translocation? Translocation is the distribution of food from the site of photosynthesis some people are still talking there, they will never hear word of photosynthesis, where the food is made to other plant parts, where needed. You know, we have done photosynthesis. When photosynthesis is carried out, glucose is formed, and that glucose later forms what? Starch. Are we there? Yeah. And that starch is not needed there. So what will happen is that the starch now move from the site of photosynthesis to every other part of the plant where the starch is needed. And that movement is called translocation of food. What did I call it? Translocation of food. You will now discover that inside xylem, the movement of materials in xylem is upward, while movement of materials in phloem is downward. So now, what are the components? The components of phloem tissue are, number one, we have companion cell. Number two, you have the sieve tube. Then number three, you have sieve plates. So you have this diagram of phloem tissue. You have something like this. You have a nucleus. This is nucleus. This is companion cell. So this is a sieve tube. Why this thing that look like a filter? This is a sieve plate. So what you have here is a diagram of a phloem what? Phloem tissue. So this marks the end of tissue and supporting system in plants. So in our next class, we go to reproduction. Thank you. God bless you.